In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete company in HubSpot. Before we begin, a quick heads up. You'll need the right permissions to delete company records, and removing a company can affect related items, such as notes, tasks, and deals that are associated with it. If you're at all unsure, check with your team and make sure you truly want the record gone, because this action is meant to be final. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Use your usual credentials and complete any two-factor authentication that may be required. Once you're in your portal, you'll see the main navigation along the left side of the screen. Hover your mouse over the left sidebar and locate the CRM section. This is where HubSpot organizes your core records. From there, choose Companies. That opens the Companies Index page, which lists all company records your account can access. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar or filters at the top to quickly narrow down to the company you want to remove. When you've found the correct company, select it by clicking the checkbox next to its name. You can select a single record or multiple records if you're cleaning up more than one. As soon as at least one box is checked, a toolbar appears at the top of the table with actions you can take on the selected records. Click Delete at the top. HubSpot will open a confirmation window to make sure you intended to do this. In that window, you'll be asked to type the number of records you're deleting. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental removals, especially when multiple companies are selected. Carefully review the count and any warnings shown, then type the number exactly as prompted. Finally, click Delete to confirm. HubSpot will process the request and remove the selected company or companies. Depending on your account's settings and data retention policies, there may be a limited window where deleted records can be restored, but you should proceed as if the deletion is permanent. That's it. You navigated to the company's page, selected the company you no longer need, clicked Delete, confirmed by entering the record count, and finalized the deletion. Take a moment afterward to refresh your view or adjust filters to make sure your list reflects the cleanup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your CRM tidy and accurate.